Understanding Store Vertically, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the phrase, store vertically. This phrase is often seen in instructions and manuals, and understanding it correctly is important for both safety and convenience. So, let's dive in and unravel the meaning and usage of store vertically. Store vertically might seem like a simple phrase, but it's packed with meaning. Let's break it down. Store. This word is a verb that means to put something away or place it in a location for future use. Vertically, this is an adverb describing how something should be positioned. It means standing or positioned up and down, as opposed to lying flat or horizontal. Together, store vertically instructs us to place an item in an upright position, ensuring that it stands tall, rather than laying it down. To better understand, let's consider a few examples. 1. Brooms and mops. These are often stored vertically to prevent the bristles from bending and to save floor space. 2. Books on a shelf. While some might stack books, storing them vertically, spine out, is the norm in libraries and homes. This makes them easier to see and pull out. 3. Paint cans. These are stored vertically to prevent leaks and to keep the paint well mixed. In each example, storing vertically is about preservation, space efficiency, and accessibility. Understanding this phrase is crucial because safety. Incorrect storage can lead to accidents or damage. For instance, storing a ladder horizontally on the ground could cause someone to trip. Maintenance. Some items last longer when stored vertically. This can prevent warping or other damage. Space management. Vertical storage often saves space, which is essential in small areas. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and importance of the phrase, store vertically. Remember, the way we store items can have a big impact on our space, safety, and the longevity of the items themselves. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.